Open relationship pros and cons, non-monogamous love. Open relationships, also known as consensual non-monogamy, are becoming more common and accepted in modern society. This type of relationship involves both partners agreeing to have romantic and/or sexual relationships with other people outside of their primary relationship. While this type of relationship may not be for everyone, there are several pros and cons to consider when exploring open relationships. One of the main advantages of an open relationship is the freedom and autonomy it provides. In an open relationship, both partners have the freedom to explore their individual desires and interests outside of their primary relationship without fear of judgment or consequences. This can lead to a greater sense of self-awareness and personal growth for both partners. Additionally, having multiple partners can also provide opportunities for new experiences and perspectives, as well as an increased sense of community and social connection. Another advantage of open relationships is the potential for increased communication and honesty between partners. In order for an open relationship to work, both partners must be willing to communicate openly and honestly about their feelings, desires, and boundaries. This level of communication and honesty can lead to a deeper sense of trust and intimacy between partners, as well as a greater understanding of each other's needs and wants. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider when exploring open relationships. One of the main challenges is navigating jealousy and insecurity. Even in the most secure and trusting relationships, feelings of jealousy and insecurity can arise when one partner begins to explore relationships with other people. This can require a great deal of emotional work and self-reflection, as well as effective communication between partners to address and overcome these feelings. Another potential downside of open relationships is the risk of STI transmission. Having multiple partners increases the risk of contracting and spreading sexually transmitted infections. However, this risk can be mitigated by practicing safe sex and regularly getting tested. In conclusion, open relationships can provide a variety of benefits, including increased personal growth and autonomy, as well as greater communication and intimacy between partners. However, navigating jealousy and insecurity and managing the risk of STI transmission can be challenging. Ultimately, the decision to pursue an open relationship should be made after careful consideration and communication between partners.